In this video, I will show you how to upload your Unity game to Google Play Store. So let's get started. To upload your game to Play Store, you need an account on Google Developer Console. So if you already have it, then it's okay. And if you don't, then go ahead and sign up for this. It will cost you USD $25 for lifetime. Okay, so once you logged in your account, go and click on Create Application. You can select language and type your title. In my case, it is 2048 Shooter. Click Create. Then click on the application. Here you paste your description. I have already prepared my short and long descriptions. So paste your short description and full description in the full description section, which I have already prepared. Then go to graphics asset section. Here you can upload images for multiple devices. For now I'm using for phone. I have already prepared 4 images for phone. You can upload up to 8 images for every device like tablet, Android TV on Wear OS. After it finishes, we move on to the next section. Here you can attach a icon. I have already prepared a 512 by 512 high-res icon, a feature graphics. One thing I want to tell you that make sure to check the dimension of each type of graphics, because if your dimensions are not correct, the Play Store will simply reject your images. So make sure the dimensions before making this type of graphics first. You can also add some TV banner or other graphics, but I'm skipping this for now. Select your application type game and the category is puzzle. And here you provide your website and email ID and your phone number as well. For the privacy policy, if you don't have any, click non-submitting a privacy policy URL at this time. And after you fill all the information, click on save draft. Now your draft has been saved. Next, move on to content rating section. So now it's saying that you must upload an APK before moving to the content rating section. So to upload an APK, go to app release section, go to production and click on manage. Select create release, app signing to Google Play, click continue. Here you can read all the terms of service of Google Play. After reading everything, click accept. Here you can upload your APK file which you build from Unity. Make sure the APK file is a signed APK file, otherwise the Play Store will simply reject it. Signed APK file means that you have provided a key store and other information in the Unity publisher setting, which are required whenever you upload a new version of this application. Wait till it finishes, or you can also provide a release name like 1.1, which you can increment whenever you release a new version like 1.2, 1.3 and so on. After it finishes uploading and processing, it will show you message upload success. Click on save to save your draft, and now it's ready to review. Now go to content rating section, click continue. Here you fill your email address in both section. After that, select your category, which is game, and fill in all the required information. Your rating of the game will be calculated based upon this question and answers, which you will fill into this. After filling all the answers, click on save questionnaire and click on calculate rating. Right now we got 3 rating for our game, which is pretty good. Click apply rating. Okay, so one more step is complete. Next step is next move on to price and distribution. Here you select whether you want to set the app for free or paid. Right now I'm selecting free. Make sure that you cannot change these settings once your app is published on the stores, which means that you cannot change your game to paid once you have published it as a free. So keep that in mind. Select the list of countries in which you want your game to be available. I'm selecting all of the countries. Select if your game is primarily Directed for child? No. Anybody can play this. It contains ad? No, I didn't put any ads. Wear OS Google? No. Manage Google Play? No. Market opt-out? No. Content guideline? Yes. US expert law? Yes, I agree. After you fill all the information required in this section and read all the description, click Save Draft. And now this section is also complete, and now it's ready to publish, as you can see. So before publishing the app to the store, I suggest you to go each and every setting again and check if everything is filled correct or not. After you checked everything, click on Ready to Publish, click on Manage Release, go to Production, click on Edit Release, and here you click on Review and click on Start Rollout to Production. Hit Confirm, and now your app is submitted for the review. You can go to All Applications section and check the status. It is pending publication. Generally it takes 3-4 hours for Google to approve your application, and once it's published, you can see now the status has changed to published. Here you can see all the installs, uninstalls, likes and comments and ratings, and in how many countries this app is downloaded and all the stuff. You can also click on View on Google Play to see how this app is looking on the Play Store. I have also provided a link to this game in the description box, so go install and play if you like. So that's how you can upload your Unity game to Play Store. So if you need to know anything about this process, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.